Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this small session, I am solving another question which is based on marginal costing with the help of Excel. Let's see the question first. Selling price per unit 50, variable cost per unit 30, fixed cost per month that is 40,000. With the help of these things, we have to ascertain break-even point, profit if 3,000 units are sold, and also we have to ascertain calculate unit to be sold to earn 20,000 profit. Now, first and foremost, of what we have to do means in marginal costing, one thing is very, very important, that is contribution. We have to ascertain contribution initially. So, what is contribution per unit formula? Contribution per unit formula will be selling price minus variable cost. Variable cost, both they have given, no need to calculate extra, like what we have done in previous question. Here, because they have given directly, so we will consider them 50, selling price minus variable cost 30, answer will be 20 rupees. Now, next thing what we have to ascertain, like in question, they have told us to calculate break-even point. Break-even point in units equal fixed cost by contribution per unit. Now, fixed cost we have, they have given in question, that is 40,000 rupees. Divided by contribution per unit, which we have ascertained, that is 20. 40,000 divided by 20, the answer will be 2,000. Next thing which we have to ascertain. First thing is over. Next, profit if 3,000 units are sold. Profit at 3,000 units. To ascertain profit at 3,000 units, first we have to calculate contribution in amount. Contribution equal units sold multiplied with contribution per unit. Which is units sold how much? 3,000 multiplied with 20 rupees. Amount will be 60,000. Now, once we know this contribution, next is very, very simple, which is profit equal contribution minus fixed cost. Contribution, as we have ascertained, 60,000 minus fixed cost, which they have given in question 40, answer will be 20,000. So, if you sell 30,000 units, you will get 20,000 rupees profit. Next question which we have to ascertain is unit to be sold to earn 20,000 rupees profit. How many units you have to sell? So answer, if you observe previous, easily we will get to know that 3,000 units you have to sell to get to 20,000 rupees profit. But we will do this one as well. Let's see, required contribution. How much contribution you required now? Required contribution equal fixed cost plus desired profit. So here fixed cost they have given 40 plus desired profit. How much we are expecting? We require 20,000 rupees. So total how much required contribution? 60,000. In such cases, units, how many units you have to sell? Units required contribution divided by contribution per unit, which is equal, required contribution is 60,000 divided by 20. So we have to sell 3,000 units to get 20,000 profit. I hope you have understood this particular solution. Thank you for watching.